Hey, peace, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. And let's get into it, man. You know, I normally talking about business credit. I'm normally talking about ways to make money online. But I just joined an opportunity. And before I even get into this opportunity, I'm going to say this. Look, there's plenty of opportunities online. My goal was to learn from all of this stuff is how do I create my own product or service, so it's my own business and I'm not relying on any of these other people's or businesses programs, and that still stands to this day. Okay, and so let's get that be very clear. I'm not telling you to join this program. I'm telling you that I joined it, and I'm gonna tell you why I did. Okay, so boom, so it's dealing with Forex, right? It's called Tradera. Maybe you've seen it. They've been around a few years, but they just started getting into the network marketing aspect of it, which is one of the reasons I joined it, because it gains the potential of being reoccurring income, and it provides ability for me to learn two new skill sets, really. One, the skill set of actually trading, okay, especially dealing with Forex, but trading in general, and then the aspect of network marketing, gaining some more of an insight between that structure and seeing how somebody who's been successful in it does it and kind of join them. Okay, so that's one aspect of it. So let's get into the nuts and bolts of it. Really, it's $99 to join. So if you don't want to pay for something, I completely understand. You know, go. I have some ways you can make free money online. Go do that, you know, or you. But anyway, to combat that is $99 a month, $99 to join. But if you sign up 3 people under you, it becomes free. So this is me sharing information with you, and if you're interested after you see what it is, then you know you can feel free to join under me. But with that being said, there's two things. There's the education in Forex, the foreign exchange market, which is dealing with the transferring of, help me out, family, the conversion of one currency to another, like the US dollar to a euro. You know, when you're traveling abroad, you're traveling countries, the currency that they use is not the same fiat currency we use over here, so you have to convert it into their whatever they're using, just to be able to purchase goods and services. That's one aspect. The other aspect is the network marketing aspects. So pretty much, if 3 people join under me, now I get it for free. But if I get 10 team members, then I get $125 a week, right? But let me show you this chart real quick. All right. So say for instance, you just join, and now you'll be over here somewhere. You just join. You know, it's nothing. But say you want to get this founder level, you get a free membership. I believe this free start bonus was only for last month. But this is a right here, founder for free membership. So you get 3 referrals, you know, now you got 3 team members, and now your account is actually free. So to move up to the next tier, you only have to sign 3 personal referrals, but the rest of your team, you know, under you is a completion of 10, and therefore you get $125 weekly bonus. Now the cool thing about this is the person above you can actually have too many people, and they get spillover, and they spillover has to go to people up under them. So that's how it works. So if I get multiple people, I'm gonna have to be putting people up under me and up under my other team members, because I can only get 3 personal referrals. All right, so that's the way that everybody can kind of win in this program. So you can see it goes all the way up to being able to make $25,000 a week, but you have to have 5,000 team members. All right. And the reason people are very excited and hungry for this program, because it's new. It just started maybe a few months ago, so a lot of people will be promoting this, and you kind of getting in on it on the beginning. Okay. So that's that. If you're interested in more about that, it'll be in the first link in the description, where I actually have like a landing page where you'll see me talk a little bit about the mindset of why I'm joining. Then, you know, Steve and Rachel will be talking about how he did his thing years ago with a similar program. And then boom, you have more in-depth information about Tradera, and you can sign up. So the benefits you're going to get with this is that you're going to be allowed to be in 3 or 4 Facebook groups. You're going to be in a couple of Telegrams where everybody's sharing information on how to grow and how to actually trade Forex. Coach Max is a beast, and you can look her up on YouTube. She don't have that many subs on YouTube, but I think on Facebook, wherever she booming at, she dropping gems. So you might just want to go look her up. You just go look her up and get that free game and that free information. You don't have to join this program to learn Forex. You know, there's a lot of free stuff you can learn on YouTube. Jeremy Cash, Young CEO, Pipology. I kind of like their energy, you know what I'm saying? But bunch of other people as well. You can drop them down in the comments too. But I want to just share this, like maybe it's an opportunity you want to get into, but don't break the bank. If you ain't got the money, you ain't got your business structure or whatever, you don't want to join, you know, go do your own thing. Go get some education, go get your funding, go to toosmarttobebroke.com/free money and learn how to work Dash and work you know, some other things to get you some free stocks or whatever it is that you do. But if you're interested in learning more about this opportunity, it'll be in the first link in the description. And look, family, it's spring, so expect me to be dropping more and more content about making money online, about this specific program, as well as business credit. I'm gonna be posting more videos, but they're probably gonna be shorter videos, not like these long 20-40 minute videos, unless I have some type of breakdown and I want to show you like a course or something like that. But anyway, I'll be dropping more content, more making money online. If y'all have any commentary which y'all want to see, let me know. Get at me at toosmarttobebroke at gmail.com to email me. And look, I am no guru, family, so regardless of however y'all see me in this light, all I've done is take my experiences and show them to people on YouTube. That's pretty much completely it. I'm giving you my perspective. I could be wrong, I could be right. You know, it's up to you to research the information that I'm giving you. So just I'm falling back into this business credit thing. A lot of y'all message me like I'm just I don't know. I really barely know anything about business credit. I'm gonna be honest with you. All I know is the money that I spent, what I've done with my business, and I'm not telling you not to go out and do business with these other people. But what I'm telling you is like, when you're joining opportunities like this, it'll be beneficial for you to be doing it from a business perspective and actually using business funding to promote and grow and run ads, do whatever it is you got to do. But this will be good reoccurring income potentially for your business. Imagine having $1,000 a month coming in automated, or even $500 or whatever, or $125 a week. That's the reason I'm doing it, but there's plenty of different ways to do that. Anyway, you want to join this? First link in the description. Peace, love, and my rant is over. I'll see you later.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the